LandFX has included dynamic blocks in our block library since 2015. Here we want to show you how to create your own dynamic blocks using visibility states. Visibility states act as layers you can apply to a block. Each state may contain unique objects so that when the state is active, the appearance of the block is altered. To make your block dynamic, you'll first need to create the block. Let's say I want this table block to include various options for chair counts. Each visibility state will have different numbers of chairs around the table. Place the block in a drawing and open it in the block editor by either typing VE in the command line or just double-clicking the block. Now that you're in the block editor, you'll need to add the visibility parameter. Open the authoring palettes from the ribbon. Now click the visibility option in the parameters tab and select a place for the parameter control to reside. This is where you'll click to switch the visibility states of the block placed in the drawing. Now that you've placed the parameter, it's time to start setting up the visibility states. Click the Visibility States button in the ribbon. By default, you'll have a state for 0. Click the New button to create a new state. You can give the state a name here, or you can leave it as the default and give it a name later. You have 3 options for the visibility of the existing items in the block for the new state you're creating. You can choose to hide all objects, show all objects in the block, or leave visibility as it currently is for the new state. Click OK and set up any other visibility states you need, or click OK again to go back to the block editor. Next to the Visibility States button, you'll see a drop-down menu, which you can use to switch between the states you're editing. The green square and dotted button allows you to either show all items on all states, or to hide all except the current state. The 2 buttons next to it allow you to either make objects visible or invisible on the current state. In this example, I'll place the 4 chairs and the table on state 0. Then I'll switch to state 1 and bring just the table in across the 2 states since it won't change. Click the Make Visible button, select the table and press Enter. Then go back to state 0 and copy 3 of the 4 chairs into state 1 and place accordingly. Now, before I save the block, I can click the Test Block button to see how the block would behave in the drawing. Test the 2 states, and if they respond as they should, you can go back to the block editor and save the block. For more videos like the one you just watched, head over to landfx.com/powertips or check out the LandFX phone app.